Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to collect responses from our Google form. We need to open Google Form tab on your browser. Clicking on the Go to Google Form option, we'll be again logging into our mail ID. As mentioned earlier in our previous video, all the forms that I have created are available here in the Recent Form tab. Now I'll be choosing such a form where I have already gathered responses. Once the form is opened, you can see along with the questions provided, there is one more tab, Responses. Here it shows all the answers selected by the candidates, those who have gone through the Google Form question paper. Like for example, I have collected 105 responses for this particular form. And now clicking on this button, I have stopped accepting the responses. So this you all may also do once when the assessment is over. Now the responses are ready and we may export it to an Excel file by clicking on the More button, selecting the option Download Responses. This will help us to download it into our computer as shown as in the bottom. When I click on it, in my computer's download option, my class 3 conceptual test file is downloaded. Double clicking on it will open the Excel sheet where all the responses are being exported. It will show us the date and time when the candidate has appeared for the answer, the total score, the name, roll number, and whatever responses they have done. That means whatever answers they have given for a particular question along with the marks are being shown over here. We may do editing with the Excel sheet as per our choice and save as it accordingly on our computer. So hope in this way you all would be able to collect responses for your Google form. Thank you.